Hello everyone, in this video, we'll walk through how to fix QuickBooks Error 6000. First, make sure QuickBooks is updated to the latest release. Updating helps prevent most errors and ensures your tools work properly. Next, we'll download and install the QuickBooks Tool Hub. The Tool Hub helps fix common QuickBooks errors, including the 6000 series. Close QuickBooks completely. Then, open your web browser and download the latest version of QuickBooks Tool Hub. Save the file in an easy-to-find place, like your Downloads folder or your desktop. Now, open the downloaded file named QuickBooks-Toolhub.exe. Follow the on-screen steps to install it and agree to the terms and conditions. Once the installation finishes, double-click the QuickBooks Toolhub icon on your desktop to open it. When the Toolhub opens, go to the section called Company File Issues. Select Run QuickBooks File Doctor. It may take up to a minute to open. In the File Doctor, choose your company file from the drop-down menu. If it's not listed, click Browse and locate it manually. Select the option Check Your File Only, then click Continue. Enter your QuickBooks admin password and select Next. Once the scan finishes, try opening your company file again. This should resolve QuickBooks Error 6000. Thanks for watching.